Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to MTS Ideas. Earlier I had posted a video related to Instagram posting, but many people understood and many people did not understand. So I have tried to make it more clear and slower in this new video. So I again decided to post a video on how to post reels on Instagram which are longer than 1 minute with Instagram's new updates. So please make sure that you have updated Instagram, you have good internet connection, and also please make sure that you post step by step as shown in the video. Now once you open Instagram, click on the plus icon as shown at the top right corner and then select Reels. Over here, as you can see that I am posting a video which is more than 1 minute, which is also 1 minute 15 seconds. Over here, as you can see, our full video has been updated. As you pull the cursor, click on this audio icon for adding audios to your video, and then you can search for trending audios over here. Click on Control for adjusting the volume of your voice and the audio's noise. For adding any voiceovers, click over here, and then you can also search for saved audios. You can also add sound effects to your video by clicking on this sound effects icon. Now for example, if you want this reel to be saved in your gallery, you can click on this download icon so that your reel automatically gets saved in your gallery. You can also add effects in your video by clicking on this effects icon. You may also add stickers for your reel by clicking in this stickers icon. Then you can also add text for your video by clicking on this text icon. Now for example, if you forgot to add any clip to your video, you can click on this add clips and then you can add extra clips in your video. Also friends, you can make changes to your video, or if you think there's some mistake in this reel, you can click on edit video and change your previous settings. Once you're done, click on next as shown down below. You can also change the cover page for your reel by clicking on edit cover. You can also choose the cover page from your gallery by clicking on add from camera roll. Now I'll start writing caption for my video. Make sure that you write a suitable caption with suitable hashtags. Now friends, over here I'd like to suggest that don't just post your video like this, but click on advanced settings and then set your video to highest quality. So your video will get a really nice quality after posting. Over here friends, you can see the save draft option. If you're busy right now or if you don't have the time to post reel at that time, or if you have some emergency, you can save your video by clicking on save draft, and this video with captions and all the edits will get saved in Instagram save drafts. Till now, we learned how to post a video which is longer than 1 minute, which is already saved in our gallery. But now we'll see how to post videos longer than 1 minute if you are planning to record videos. So friends, if you're planning to post a video from Instagram, if you're planning to record, first of all, click on the length icon as shown over here. You can select the length icon for videos more than 15 seconds, 30 seconds or 60 seconds or even more than 1 minute. You can also select audio for your video by clicking on this audio icon. Now we'll click on the media icon. Over here, as you can see, the drafts icon, which is the plus icon, you can click on the drafts icon, and over here you can see all the drafts which you have saved. Once you click on the drafted video, you'll be able to see that all your caption with your edited reel is already saved in Instagram's drafts icon. Now once you have completed everything, click on share and then your video will be posted on Instagram. Now as we click on the video, we'll be able to see that our full video, which is 1 minute 15 seconds has been posted. So I hope that you guys understood the video. Also, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to MTS Ideas. Thank you for watching. And my dear friends, thank you so much for the support you guys have given in all my videos. I'm really grateful for that. Thanks a lot and may God bless you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.